Hi guys, this is my new tutorial series for Adobe Premiere tutorial. So this is my first episode showing you guys how to do it. So the first thing you need to know is Windows interface, like the user interface of Adobe Premiere. Now I have Adobe Premiere 2018. You can see from Premiere CC. Now you double click on the shortcut. Right. Let's assume that you have Adobe Premiere already. Alright, let's open it up. Right. Right here. So I have not done anything to this. I'm gonna start a new project. Now here I'm gonna explain a little bit. So right here, if you don't have graphic card, you only have this option. Alright, but I have a pretty good video card, so you can choose this one and then just keep everything the same thing. But this option make everything much faster. Alright, yes, alright, because this is a new project and I have not done anything to this, so this is a clean default project. Alright, and as you can see, everything inside Premiere exists as of Windows. We have Source window right here. You click on this blue rectangle. There's a program window, there's a timeline window, there's a project window, and you can add in more windows if you want. You can go here, window, and you can add in if you want. Alright, for example, click on this. Now you have a new window. You see, you can remove this one. For example, right, you want to remove the effect control. For some reason you just want to close it, and it was an accident, right? You go to window right here, you find the effect control right here. There's a shortcut, by the way, which is Shift 5. I'll just click on this, right? Yeah, and then you can move window around, right? Okay, everything cool so far? Alright, now right here in the wait one second, yeah, in the project window you can import video file, photo file, and audio file. The easiest way you can do it, you double click on this, and then you can find the videos you want to edit. And I have some video right here in the random video, so I have 4 of them, right? If you want, you can just click on one, and then what if you want to import multiple videos at once? You can do this by pressing on the control if you are a Windows user. If you are a Mac user, you press on the command key on your keyboard. Now I'm pressing control right now, and I start with this one and to this one, right? And I open this. Now I have 4 videos, right? Now what if you want to preview the clip? can do that by move your mouse over here, and then you can like double click on this to see the thing, the video. You can preview the video on the source window, right? And by the way guys, I get this video on Paxo.com. I'm gonna include it in the description below. It's basically you have free clip, like very simple clip, right? Now right now you can preview by moving this little blue symbol over here. You can move left to right, or you can just click on this, on the space bar on your keyboard, right? Click space, then you can see, right? Now in here you still could not edit. The simplest way you can edit this, and you can move this, right? You drag this to the timeline, right? One second. Yeah, there we go. So now once you drag this on the timeline, you can edit the name of the clip if you want. I'm gonna say for example, okay, right? And then immediately you can see the clip on the program windows. Whatever, like the program windows only show the video you have edited in the timeline window, right? So as have it, once you move the clip onto the sequence, right, the timeline project, you can change the name. And this is like if you forget to save your work and you accidentally delete this, right, this will save your work. So this is like a temporary save working, right? Alright, so one more thing I want you guys to know, this episode, or you can move this around right here. You can make it bigger, you can make this one bigger if you want. Okay, if you cannot see clear, you can make this one big, right? Or if you cannot see the video clear enough, you can click on this. You can customize it pretty good actually, right? Now what to move back to normal. Alright, this look normal enough. Now I need to move this one up a little bit, right? Alright, so right, by the way, I want to make sure that you guys know how to do this also. You can this V1 A1. What does V mean? V mean video and A mean audio, right? You can make V1 bigger so you can kind of see what's you editing, right? You can do it by move your mouse to like the top of the box that you want to expand, right? You can move it up or down to make it bigger. You can make it longer by moving this thing to the right. To make it shorter, you can move this to the left to make it longer, right? Also, you can make it this one bigger by pressing this thing by moving this one down, or you can do that. Alright. Alright. Alright, thank you guys.